Hi guys, R2D here. So on the last video I've made a brief introduction on the Ultimation extender set. I've explained what you can use it for and why do you need it. And on this video and the next ones I'll be doing, I will show you practical examples on how you can use it. So for this first example, what I did was a very simple setup. The idea of this test was just to check if the fader voltage sent to the computer is the correct one, or if it's sending any. What I did was I've connected my oscilloscope to the, I don't know if you can see it here, but this leg, which is the computer send level, and the 0 analog supply. What we get here, so we can see, let me show you first, so we can see where are we exactly probing on the schematics. Okay, this is the DC servo card on the fader package, which is this one. This is the 352 and this is the 353 card. Okay, what we are probing now is this level. Show you this one, and you can see, and this is the fader. Okay, so going to the oscilloscope, we can see if the faders on the bottom, we have a nice 5 volts. Okay, and you can see there the level, the average level is 5 volts. If I bring the fader up, the voltage drops down to 0, which is okay, which is the expected. Okay, so if I move, you can see the voltage changing between the expected range. Okay, now I also gone ahead and made a different and more interesting test, which was to connect to check if the return voltage of the computer was okay, because the voltage does the signal does a loop through the computer, so it goes from the fader to the computer and to the computer back to the fader. In this case, what I wanted to check was if the VCA voltage, which is that one, let me see if I can focus, VCA control voltage, was okay. What is the VCA control voltage? The VCA control voltage is used when in VCA mode, not Ultimation mode, and in this case the signal is calculated with the computer return voltage, and it is a linear voltage plus the cut button, the cut switch. Okay, which is this switch here. Sorry. Okay, what I did now to test it out was very simple. I wanted to see the return voltage from the computer, so let me first enable the B channel. Okay, and I wanted to check this voltage changing, but not because this fader here. Okay, and if I move it, you can see it, the signal lagging. It's because of the computer delay. You see the red signal is the return voltage. Okay, so what I did here is that I basically slaved this fader to the group fader 8, okay, to the VCA fader 8, which is this one, and I've set up the fader level to a level where it's basically doing nothing. Okay, that's why you see the blue line, which is the fader send level, at the exact same level has the computer return to the VCA card. Okay, if I start moving the group fader, okay, now you see it is affecting the VCA return voltage from the computer, okay, which is here. I can, for instance, if I put the cut volt, I will put the cut switch now, and look what's happening. Cut 10 volts, okay, and I can move this, and you see this is a two-way street. So if I start moving this fader, this one, it affects the VCA voltage too. See? Okay, check the next videos where I give you more examples how to use this. See ya. Cheers.